Where does the name for Pentrefelin come from? So today I'm in a small village in Conwy County called Pentrefelin. Let's get into the name. Now Pentrefelin is made of two parts. First we have Pentre, which is a village, and then we have Felin, which is the soft mutation of melin, which means a mill, and it's ultimately from Latin mulanum, which means it's actually related to the word moulin, as in Moulin Rouge, as in the French place. Now it's named that because there was lots of mills in this area, and actually there's a big one that's still quite popular with tourists today. So literally the name means village of the mill. Anyway, diolch, thank you. Give us a like, give us a share and give us a subscribe, and if you want to support me on my quest to explain every place name in Wales, you can on my Patreon. The link's in my bio. Diolch. Have a good one.